This type of video is currently going viral in the online space, where you would see people taking pictures with celebrity of all kinds in different scenes. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you two different methods by which you can achieve this, all for free. So don't go nowhere. Welcome back to Zara Studios, your go-to channel for trending AI topics. If you are new here, consider subscribing because lots of value awaits you. Without further delay, let's just dive right in. The very first thing you need is my unique prompt, and you would find it in my Telegram channel, link in the description. All you have to do is replace the name of the celebrity and also replace the location where the celebrity is. The next thing is for us to just copy the prompt and take it to Google AI Studio to generate our image. This is the homepage of Google AI Studio. Look at the top left corner, click on playground right there. Now go to your top right corner and click on Nano Banana. Now locate and click on images. You'd see all the image generation models right here. Nano Banana Pro is paid. We can still use the regular Nano Banana. So click on Nano Banana. Now attach your desired image to it. Click on the attach button and click on upload a file. I'll be using this particular image. I've uploaded it. Now grab the prompt in my Telegram channel and just paste it right here and click on run. Then you just wait for a few seconds and your image will be ready. This is beautiful. Now click on the download button and download this onto your device. To generate another image with another celebrity, I'll go back to my prompt, change the celebrity name to Captain America and change the location as well. I copy it and bring it back to Nano Banana. Click on upload. I paste my prompt, attach my image and click on run, and this is what we have. I'm sure you would agree with me that this is stunning and it is beautiful. Now download this and repeat this for as many celebrities as you want. Once that is done, we're going to head on to platforms where we can animate this into videos. The very first platform we're going to be using is Google's VO3, and you would find the link in the description. Click on create with flow, register with your email address, and you find yourself here. Now click on new projects and select the option that says frames to video. Come to the right hand side and click on settings right here. Select your desired aspect ratio, select the number of outputs and select the model. I'll be using the landscape option. One output I want, and I'll be using VO3 fast. Once all that is selected, the next thing is for you to click here to upload your images. Please take note, Google's VO3 will not allow you generate videos using popular celebrities. So I tried using President Trump and Obama, but it didn't generate the video for me. So now we're just going to try something else. I'm going to be using the Captain American image and also avatar. Click on crop and save, and now head back to my Telegram channel to copy the image to video prompt. Paste it right here and click on enter, and within few seconds the video will be ready. And guys, this is what we have. This is stunning. It's beautiful. All you have to do now is just to download this onto your device, and you can repeat this for as many images that you already created as possible. So now let's head on to Kling AI to go and generate the popular celebrity figure faces right there. Kling gives you a welcome bonus of 166 credits that you can use to generate images and videos on this platform. So we're going to be using that all for free. Click on the video icon at the left hand side and upload your start frame and end frame. At the top of your screen, change it to Video Turbo 2.5 and paste in your prompt right here, the video prompt. You'll find it in my Telegram channel, link in the description. Leave this at professional, select the duration you want and the number of outputs. This is going to cost us 25 credits. Click on the green generate button, and in few seconds your video will be ready. And guys, this is what we have. The frames to video feature on Kling doesn't come with any sound, so we're going to just make do with that. All you have to do now is locate and click on the download button and download this onto your device. To generate another video, click on this swap icon right here and it will swap the first image for the last one. So delete the second image and replace it with another image of your choice, and edit a little bit of your prompt. Leave the settings the way it is and click on generate. Once the video is ready, click on download and download this onto your device. Now take all these clips onto your video editing platform. I'm going to be using CapCut for this. Click on new project, select all your video clips and add it to your timeline. Once that is added, you will notice that there is a watermark at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just zoom it out a little and readjust the image. Do the same to the next clip. Zoom out a little, just a little, and adjust it downwards a little. Once all that is done, click on adjust right here and go to sharpen and increase the sharpness of this video to 50%. Now click on export, increase the resolution to at least 1080p, 30 frames per second and recommended settings, and hit the export button, and it begins to export. And that was how I was able to get this particular video you're watching right now. I'm sure you got value from this video, so do well to like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so that you can get notified each time I upload an amazing video like this. Let me know where you're watching me from in the comment section. Till I come your way next time, I remain your girl Zara. And before you go, do well to check out some of my previous videos and you will not be disappointed. See ya!